So my name is Cecelia Stokes. I am a Roan Stewardship Intern with SAHC, and I am an undergrad biology major at UNCA. And I'm doing research on the effects of the long-term management on the grassy bald ecosystem and plant community as well. So this study is originating from a study that was done in the late 80s. Basically before active management began on the balds, they did an extensive species inventory and plant community analysis of the balds. So the study that I'm trying to recreate now is going to look at the changes over the past 30 or so years of having active management on the balds. Our study is starting basically at Carver's Gap, but there are some historic transects that we've been able to find the plot markers from the original study. So we're trying to base our timeline and where the transects are off of the original ones that we know are there. We're following their methodology that they have done through the study. So we're starting from the first transect that they laid on Round a little bit after Carver's, and then from there we're laying a transect every 150 meters all the way out until Grassy Ridge. So that could equate to I don't know, a couple hundred transects maybe. I have a quadrat that I lay down, and using that I determine the dominant vegetation type in that area, and we take data on which ones are more prevalent. Really, we're focusing on vegetation type. We're not really honing in on specific species like each grass being identified or each sedge. We're identifying the vascular plants, but we really are just looking at how much grass is there, how much sedge, how much blackberry, blueberry, angelica, all of the really prevalent types of plants up here. And when we do find those really special vascular plants in the plots as well, we try our best to identify those to species. So I hope that the overall message that can be taken home from this study and the comparison to the previous study and how things have shifted and changed over the years is that our human impact and our interaction with the environment is very important and can have a lot of long-lasting effects. So I think to keep looking at the changes that are going on over long periods of management is really important, and I think that keeping this message going that we should keep looking at the areas instead of just assuming what we're doing is what we need to do, and looking at our impact and how important it is and reanalyzing those things over the years.